In this video, let's talk about how to use the Chase Travel Book feature. Now, within the Chase platform, you can easily book your travels, whether it be booking your hotels or booking your flights and booking any sort of activities. So all you want to do is head over to either the mobile app or the chase.com platform, where you can simply head over to the benefits section where you can redeem your benefits into these travel points. So you just need to head over to the benefits section and then select your credit card that you want to go through, and then you can simply select the experience. So either you want to book a hotel, select the hotel option. You can see all of the list that is being displayed. So once you, for example, select a hotel, you can book a hotel straight away from this platform. If you choose to book a flight, you can also see a similar option being displayed where once you select the flight option, you can see all of the flights that are available. So using this exact process, you would be able to use the Chase Travel Book feature. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.